How to reset Logitech G Pro Wireless mouse. So the first thing you can do is disconnect it from your PC or use the reset button. Disconnect the USB dongle, wait for a few minutes, and connect it to a different port. If your device has a reset button, press and hold it for 5 seconds. Sometimes you need to use a pin in order to reach it. Second thing you can do is to uninstall the Logitech G Hub. Search for Logitech G Hub using Windows Search and then select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation and then re-download Logitech G Hub. Follow the screen prompts and reinstall the software. Now, another thing you can do is to update or install the driver. Launch Device Manager using the quick link. To do this, right-click on the Windows logo at the bottom of your screen and then select Device Manager and then select Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Right-click on the mouse name, select Update Driver, choose Search automatically for drivers in the pop-up. A mouse update can sometimes cause a reset because the update process may require the mouse to restart or reboot. Some users reported that using the uninstall device option instead worked for them since it forced the PC to install a new driver. What you can do next is to troubleshoot the mouse. So press Windows and then R and then type Control and select OK. In the control panel, select View Devices and Printers. Right-click on the Logitech G Pro mouse, select Troubleshoot. If any issue is found, select the option to apply the recommended fix. In some cases, the troubleshooting process will force the device to reset. These solutions are universal and they should help you reset the Logitech G Pro X Superlight or any other models with ease. And that is how to reset Logitech G Pro Wireless mouse.